Hey guys, I wasn't sure if I start this day vlog, but I got rehearsal. It's gonna be a busy day tomorrow, so I don't know how much I got vlog. Time 3:41 in the morning. Now I know I should sleep to come on a busy day, but I'll save a new mention video. Say it would take 3 hours to save, and I really need to save it if I want to schedule it on Wednesday or something. So yeah, I still need to edit the bloopers, that's deleted scene. I want to upload it this week, man, for a new mention video, so I really want to do it. It's saving now, so I'm staying up all night trying to do this, because if I fall asleep I'm scared it got messed up like last time. But so yeah, I gotta sort out why it's taking so long. Normally it was. Normally new mention videos don't take long, even though how long the length is. So I need to Google that. But yeah, it's nearly saved. Now I'm gonna go straight to bed. Then sorry about that. But yeah. So this I gotta see you guys in the morning when I wake up and everything, and I'll probably be super tired. I gotta sleep on the bus, but I'll probably be super tired, really tired. But yeah. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the morning. So guys, at bus stop now, and it's a good hour of the day, 7 something, I don't know. I've got makeup on, hopefully it's not too dark, if I have to put it on. I need to do my hair on the bus, but the problem is just go get wrecked on the bus. That's the only problem. I mean, car forward seat, we just all go get wrecked. Throughout the makeup and hair when we get there. So yeah, and also I don't know what I'm gonna do, my head's gonna get wrecked, and also I can't do it tight enough, like out the way, for like put it sort of a bun, but I can't do it. So yeah, that'd be an issue, but I don't know. I just gotta try my best and go get wrecked on the bus, go come loose, and you let Destiny do it. But yeah, I'm so tired. I know it was really bad, I should have slept instead of saving the video instead, but it was getting my nerves. I needed to save it. I didn't know when I could save it, and it was getting my nerves, but now it's like so ridiculous. Don't can hear me now. It's just I need to have a proper night's sleep, and I'm so tired. I'll sleep on the way on the bus because the hour still won't help. I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you guys when I'm at the theatre. I think I do this on purpose. I'll see you guys soon. So guys, we're just rehearsing. No, I haven't vlogged much. I was a little bit late at the morning. I should have catch up the early bus, but I just wanted to lie in a bit. Yeah, but we'll just do rehearsing and perform to college students and that. Proper performance is tonight at 7, and yeah, I know I haven't vlogged much, but I did tell you, I did warn you it might be a bit because we're rehearsing all the time, so it might be a short vlog, this one. Isn't that right, Destiny? It may be a short vlog, we're just rehearsing and that, so yeah. And how is it so far? Terrible. Yay! You know what I mean? Anyway, we're gonna go lunch now. I don't know. Do you know what you're getting? I don't. I'm gonna find out. Adam's in the toilet. So yeah. Oh, there's Jackie. Oh, my friend. Hi, friend.
Hello.
Hi.
Blocking the shit out of this place.
Yeah.
Put it in the thumbnail.
Roger Moore died today.
Oh, shit.
Hi. Right. Let's go then. Oh, my vlogging skills are bloody amazing. Right, are we going then?
Yeah.
Right. Anyway.
Doing it really weird.
No, John. I need something. Come on. What?
I'm going down singing.
Really? You're such a child. Anyway, yeah, we've got to go for lunch. I don't know, you hold up a thing and Courtney was mad. Anyway, I catch you guys probably where we're eating. Don't know where we're eating though. So I've got KFC, guys. We'll have great later. No one knows. Da da da. Aaron, are you happy? Cool. Right. Gotta eat this. Nom, 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 nom.
Sophie
Guys,
snores.
hold on. Guys, I didn't know this. Showing the video and that. I didn't know this. I snore and I don't snore. I must be very, very tired and also snore like my mum. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, I'm snoring. It sounds like a sound effect, doesn't it? I sound like my mum when she snores.
Are you going to tell about how you ate half of everything in your bones?
I was tired, okay?
Point the camera at Aaron. Point the camera at Aaron and he'll tell you, tell the audience exactly what you ate.
No, basically I couldn't finish my bonus banquet. I felt really tired and
You had half of it because
You had
half of your drink, half the corn in the carb, half the chips, half the popcorn chicken, and half the chicken strips.
I was tired.
I wasn't there for this.
Tired, but yeah, I snore, guys. When you realise you snore.
Sophie,
It
could be worse. I talk in my sleep sometimes.
I sometimes do that, but not often.
But the problem is,
But I don't realise. I must be very, 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 very tired.
I was like, I'm so recorded because this is going to be so for aim on Snapchat.
When was it? I don't remember where it was.
Like a week ago.
No, where?
At mine.
No, when?
Saturday.
What we were doing that.
I was watching TV, you fell asleep, Destiny had already gone home. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't even on Saturday. No, it would have been the Tuesday. No, it wasn't Monday. Wait, could it have been the Monday?
Monday, yeah, it'd be Monday.
Yeah, it could have been Monday when you went home.
What were we
She
playing?
said that mine the other, another night.
What was it playing a game? Was it after that game or before?
No, literally, like, we were just downstairs watching TV and you went to sleep. You started snoring. I was like, I'm so recording this. I recorded it, and then I knew it'd come in handy. I don't snore.
I don't. I must be very, 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 very tired.
See, when you was in the bed, like, when you was in my bed, you wasn't snoring, but like,
Yeah,
as
because
soon as like we was downstairs,
I think again, I think I was very, very tired. That's why I was very, very tired.
I like how she was like, oh, I'm sobering up now. She falls asleep, like, so she doesn't remember a thing.
When?
you're bad drunk, so.
When you was at mine, because we had to go upstairs.
I don't remember walking upstairs. I don't.
We had to go upstairs, and he was in bed, and he was like, me and Destiny were playing cards, and he was like, let me play. I'm sobering up now. Fucking yeah, right. Go to sleep, wake up.
I remember bits and bobs.
You remember these?
No, I do. I remember bits and bobs. Cause watch the vlog.
Yeah.
No, but I know bits and bobs. I knew bits and bobs. Bits and bobs. I knew bits and bobs of it though. I did. But anyway, yeah.
After you watched the vlog that.
No. Before that, I know a little bit and bobs, and then watching it. Oh yeah, I remember all this now. I know some of it. But yeah. Anyway, I didn't realise I'd do that.
Now you do.
So guys, showtime, and this is the last time we're going to put on the show. Courtney, what? Sophie who? What did you say?
Well, no, it's too restricted for YouTube. What? Huh? No, let me just say something. No, you can say something, but I'm just literally just gonna set the
This is the last time we're going to put on the show, guys. So, yeah, Desi, what you gotta say? Say something. Say something on spot. 1, 2, 3. Say something.
I don't know.
This is the last time. It's fine. You say something.
I miss you already, so. I miss you so much, so.
Courtney, I'll see you anytime. But
Buddy, you know, for Joel as well.
see you.
Yeah. You're still.
I'm still waiting. Okay.
I'm gonna see you anyway, yeah.
I know, but it's for the vlog, isn't it? For vlog.
You're probably going to see me
Tomorrow.
so you know.
I don't stalk.
The chances are.
Jack, say something to the camera. And Dom, say
Bye.
bye. Jack, say something to the camera. 'Cause the last time we got to see them. Okay.
Fucking what?
Okay, good
Keep
message.
up with those shooting videos.
What the fuck do you want? No, what is it?
It's basically for my vlog. The last time I got to see you properly.
Yeah, probably. Probably.
No, I got stalking later.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna come into your fucking house with wearing my fishnets.
Okay, thank you.
These fishnets, yeah. Yeah.
Last time I got to see them.
You can look at cockwave if you want. Just
Okay, I'll do that. I'm joking.
Yeah, fucking John Wall. So easy shit, we got the code for it. Google John Wall.
Shut up. Is that?
John Wall.
Anyway,
That's
okay,
the
bye
rest.
bye. Anyway, yeah, so it's the last time. We've got to go show now, so catch you after. So guys, we finished the show, and Aaron,
What?
how do you feel about it? Great comment, great comment. I'm eating.
Will they mark you?
What? I
the way
don't
they mark
know.
You won't all get distinctions, will you?
No,
No.
mate. Anyway, finish the show
Certain few.
and all that.
Huh?
Ugh.
Certain few, mate.
Oh, I can't even.
So you
Anyway, I finished the
Is that
show,
possible?
and then
Can't judge it if like
yeah, I don't know. We're going home, and
I can't.
I just
I'm not
gotta.
I'll
I don't
stand on
know.
the fence because
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Show me,
Forgot to add.
just
Yeah,
something
basically,
for
just
the
going
comments
home.
and Peter.
So guys, I'm home now, and I got fajitas. Went to Tesco for fajitas, but I put the mini wraps in the fajitas. There, I put them in for too long. They're rock hard. So luckily we got fajitas wraps in there, but they're bigger ones. But yeah, got this. I got to eat this. Got to watch some YouTube videos, edit new my channel videos, schedule new my channel video, and all that. So I got to eat this. Yum, 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 yum. So guys, just scheduling day vlog for tomorrow, and there's not going to be any bloopers behind the scenes because I just looked and it isn't really much behind the scenes. I'm not missing out a lot, so I'm not going to put a separate video for bloopers behind the scenes and everything. So just the one video, yeah, click down below, new my channel video. It will be up now. Sorry, delay. I've been busy with college and everything, so I didn't have time. And also, if you don't know what it is, say new my channel video down below, or go to my main channel, link down below, or anything. But yeah, hit new video. Hope you enjoy it, and it was really fun. And they gang up on me. You have no clue on about, but if you watch the video, you understand they gang up on me. Or Aaron did. But anyway, I've got to end this vlog now. Can you edit it? I want to edit it ready, even though I might be home and edit this. Not mean, and schedule it. But I just want to do it tonight now, so I don't have to worry at all. And like, okay, I know 100% that's this day vlog ready, so I've got to end this vlog now. So vlog, thumbs up if you enjoy it, and good night. I'll see you tomorrow with another daily vlog. Hopefully it can be day vlogger, hopefully, and bye. Bye guys.